I'm so caught up in it. Young, dumb, broke high school kid.
Just let me lay down in your sunlight. I love the way it makes me come alive. I wanna stay lost in your paradise. Don't wanna be found.
Hey guys, what's up? It's Lina. Today I'm going to be doing a what's in my backpack video for you guys because the last time I uploaded one in grade 10, you guys seemed to like that a lot. It had a good amount of views, likes, comments. I guess you guys liked it. So second semester here in my school has just started. It's a funny story actually. Today's an ice day or a snow day, whatever you want to call it. Yesterday was also an ice day. And last week when I had my exams, I had 2 ice snow days. The first one was the day before exams, which put everybody off because like we were literally trying to get into our classes and get our notebooks and talk to teachers and stuff. Especially me, I had a hard time because my English books were still at school, so I had to go to the library and take some out because, you know, I needed my books. I don't know why I did that. Really dumb. Second one was the first time I ever had a snow day during exams in my 4 years. Usually when there's a lot of snow and it's cold, our board doesn't close. So it was like really odd that they closed during an exam especially. It was really great for me because I had a math test that I was not ready for. So that was already 2. And then yesterday was a nice day, which was really surprising. And today I woke up for badminton, which I have at 7 in the morning. So I was getting ready to leave and my mom's like, hey, come here. And I was like, hey mom, I don't really have the time, I have to go. She's like, no, come here. So I was like, fine. Come in. She's like, there's a nice day. I was like, no, you're kidding me. There's no way there's a nice day today. She's like, it's a nice day. I'm like, no, it's not. She's like, yes, it is. I'm like, no, it's not. So she takes out her phone and saw something on Arab ladies group chat because, you know, gotta love being Arab. It's a snow day, ice day. Thank you, Hannah Meloche, for saying ice day. Now my brain is screwed up. Our board never gives out maybe like 1 or 2 in a whole year, and they just gave 4 within 2 weeks. Like the 2 craziest weeks of the year, like exam week and the first week back. I mean, I'm not complaining. I finished You on Netflix. Didn't really like it. People are gonna hate me, but like I wasn't really a fan. And then I also watched a lot of The Office. It's great, but like ever since Michael Scott leaves the show, it gets kind of dull. Getting so many ice days inspired me to make this video. Also, it's the beginning of the semester, so my bag is not yet exploded. So I've got some organization happening, so I figured now would be the best time to do this, and then I should probably get back to my calculus and chemistry review because I have a chemistry test tomorrow. Let's get into it. So, I have this oh, this is heavy. Okay, jeez, okay. This is, ow, my bag right here. Full to the brim and it's really heavy. I feel like I actually kind of want to low-key weigh this.
Young, dumb, broke high school kid.
What the? Hey Google, music off. What the heck? Not you. It's really heavy. I actually have right here my old school bag. So I decided I would give you guys a little overview of the bag before we get into anything, and then we'll get into what's in my backpack. You can probably see there's a big logo right here. This bag I got 2 years ago in June, I want to say, when I qualified for Team Canada. So I was on Team Canada for gymnastics and we went to the Worlds that summer and we competed and it was really great, and we got a whole bunch of stuff. One of the things we got was this bag, and you probably recognize them. Oh geez, okay. If you play any competitive sport, you've probably seen them because they're like the Adidas, like every year Adidas makes team bags that you can like either put your logo here or whatever. That's just what we got. We got red and whitish, silver, and black, obviously, because, you know, we're Team Canada, so Canadian colors stuff. Here, there's just the gymnastics Canada. And then on the bottom here, I have this little maple leaf flag patch. My favorite part about my bag, which for some reason annoys a lot of people, but it's very special to me, is all of these keychains, and there's a lot of them. Pretty much what I do is any keychain that I get or I've received, I put on this bag. I also have some broken keychains that I still have in my drawer, and some things that are just too big. Figured I'd show you guys kind of what's on my bag really quick. Right here is this little bronze, this is just a little pin that I got from Link Crew. If you don't know what Link Crew is, it's this leadership organization that my high school runs, and I'm sure a bunch of other schools run it too. It's pretty much senior students helping grade 9. Just start up here. I just have this pom-pom because I like pom-poms. I have these little Team Canada Olympic gloves that I got around that time when I got this bag too. This is a tibia and fibula biology. Anyway, so it's a working tibula fibula. People are gonna butcher me. I don't know how I did it good in bio. I got this from my co-op. I have this little Lebanon spinning keychain. I wish, okay, I'm gonna try to show it. The spinning Lebanon keychain. And then this is just this Ottawa keychain. Some more over here. So this one was from Nationals. They just gave us some keychains at Nationals. It just says the name of the competition. This one is from Spain. It's just this cute, really cute woven hat with like the Spain ribbon on it. I have this from Paris. It's just a purple Eiffel Tower that says Paris, France. And this one's from Spain also, I think. It's just a white keychain with these little blue, this blue design etched into it. It's kind of wearing off. So then my best friend got me this from Philippines. It's this wooden flip-flop with cute little beads. And it says Iloilo City, Philippines. The last one on here is this keychain from Thailand. There's two little side pockets here. Can I show this? I don't know if I should. Our school is green and orange. Who decided that we should be carrots? I don't know. Anyway, so I just have this water bottle that I won from my school for points. You have this whole point system. Let's get into the actual bag. So let's start, there's a little tiny pocket up here that's like fleece lined and I love it. So in here I have a scrunchie, no duh, and of course it's gray. I have like 5 gray scrunchies. A pen that's shaped like a bone, and I got this from my co-op too last year. In here I also have this keychain that my friend got me from the summer, and I really, really love it, but it was gonna fall off, so I just put it in that little side pocket right there. Then I have this pack of tissues. Our school, with the Link Crew, we have like pre-exam kits and little bags of tissues like that because, you know, exams make you cry. I have a cab number because you never know when you need to call a cab. I have this elastic because, you know, need elastics. And lip chap. This is just the Nivea Hydro Care. And then I have hauls. I have this broken bobby pin that I found in my bag here before, and that was from Worlds, and I'm super superstitious, so I just left it in there. I have a couple in these little side pockets too. I also have some Tic Tacs because I said it 2 years ago in my what's in my bag, but I just keep Tic Tacs because no one asks for Tic Tacs and people always ask for gum, so I can say I don't have gum, but I have Tic Tacs. The last thing I have in this pocket is Advil. You never know when you're gonna need some Advil, right? Embarrassingly enough, I don't know why I'm admitting this to the world because I just said it was embarrassing. The Advil in here is kids Advil. It's the blue raspberry chewables because I can't swallow pills at all. I wasn't able to swallow the Advil, even with the easy swallowed ones, and I was just like, you know what? I'm gonna die, so I bought kids Advil. So that was the little front pocket. Next, I'm gonna go to this pocket right here. The bag is like neon green inside. This is a Lululemon bag. You know the bags they give you when you buy stuff. Just keep my lunch in there. Right now it's empty because I ate my lunch 2 days ago and I haven't had school since, so I just keep that in there. The next thing I have is my wallet. Then I have this lanyard. It just has my keys on it, you know, car, home, all that stuff. Random keychains. I have like this L that I got on my grad trip. 4 years ago, this little tassel thing. I have this 3D printed heart that I got on a school trip, and I actually used to have it on my bag until the part that connects broke, so I just stuck it on here. I also just have this random university lanyard from a school I don't go to, but it's really nice and colorful. Also my rival school's colors, so to be honest, I really do like our rival school because it's really great. I have an umbrella. It reminds me of Sephora. Now for the juicy stuff, the main compartment. I probably should have started with this. I don't know, save the best for last, right? So this is a really good quality bag. It has like memory foam on the straps, like I said. I say good quality as it refuses to open. Wow. So the first thing I see in here is my pencil case. So I have this pink basic pencil case, and in here I just have gum and a pair of Apple headphones. In here I have basic supplies such as calculator. I've had this calculator since grade 9. In calculus, we cannot use a calculator, so I only use it for chemistry. I also have a pencil sharpener, whiteout. If y'all remember this, you are an OG member of the Elsaadi, or you were in my classes in grade 9 AP English, because you used to tear this apart all the time. It's a Tangle toy. If you don't know what that is, it's kind of a stress toy. I also have sticky notes, a copious amount of colored highlighters, markers, and rainbow gel pens. I also have this. So I got my first term marks back and I wasn't really happy with them. They're good marks, but like I could have done better. You know, I say this as I watch Netflix for hours on 2 ice days when I could be studying. But anyways, I was kind of bummed out, and my dad came into my room and he gave me this bracelet that said warrior, and it's a Morse code bracelet. It says, a true warrior isn't immune to fear, she fights in spite of it. And I thought it was really cute and I really love it, so I just keep that in there because if I'm ever bummed out, and I wear it on my wrist. Moving on, we have one of my favorite things ever, my planner. It's polka dotty and it's really, really cute, and I really love this planner. The next thing I have in here is my laptop case, and it's just this gray one I got off Amazon, and then it has these handles in here. Oh, there's my Burt's Bee cucumber mint. And I really love this gray, it's called quatrefoil. I should know this. I went to French school. Quatrefoil. It's probably wrong. So, in there I just keep this, which is my MacBook Pro. Has the touch bar, which I never use. Oh, I got an email. In this compartment here, headphones. So I have those. I also have this neon orange. I don't know what I was thinking, but I love it. Rubber lightning charger. So this just charges my phone from my computer right away without a dongle. Then I have my dongle because, you know, need that. And the last thing I have in here are just some USBs. That is my laptop bag. The next thing I have in here, oh, maybe I should mention this. I just got this like matte black holder and Twisted Peppermint, which is one of my favorite lotions. It's right there actually. And hand sanitizer because, you know, schools are gross. So I'll keep that. The next thing I have in here are textbooks because school, hardest math course in high school. Really not looking forward to it. The last thing in here is my binder. I've gotten to the complete point of laziness where I just keep one singular binder for all of my classes. To be honest, it's a pretty big binder. It's a 2-inch. I usually keep a 1.5. So like I thought I could get away with it, and if I can't, I still have another binder I can just move like second period into. In my binder, I just keep ruler, and then I have it divided evenly. So I have first tab calculus, and then in there I have a notebook for now, which I'll take out when it starts to get full. Then I have all my 5 units of chem. Then I have my law tab, and then I have a paper tab where I just keep some loose leaf back there. That's what was in my bag this semester. So far at least, it's gonna get pretty destroyed. Really nice to have a durable bag with really good straps because like also walking, you know, you want to have a good bag on your shoulders because you don't want to like destroy your back more than I did already through gymnastics. Thumbs up, let me know down below, you know the drill. As always, Make sure to subscribe. It's free. Just press the red icon to be notified when I upload. Anyway, so I really hope you guys enjoyed this, and yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Should probably get back to my calculus review. Hey guys, so I'm editing this right now, and I just realized I never said goodbye, and also, yeah, it's the only thing I can think of. So, thanks for watching. I love you guys so much. I think I said everything else that I wanted to say. So, bye!